Video narrative here.
Yeah. All right. And we're set.
All right, so sometimes we may ask you to help reconnect everything from Lifepak, possibly during our initial patient exam, or maybe if we have to take everything off and then get them to the rig and put it back on. So the kind of the basic things we could ask you to do would be put the EKG limb leads on. So we see we've got 4 of them. The best place according to the textbook would be on their limbs, so kind of in a meaty spot of their left arm, left calf, right calf. But sometimes it may, depending upon the patient or the circumstance, they may be closer to the shoulders, stomach, or somewhere else. But nonetheless, and it's also listed on here, like this says RA right arm, LA left arm. So if you should be able to kind of figure out where that goes. And if you want a cool fire service way to remember it, it's smoke over fire, so black's over red, and then snow over grass. I don't know who came up with that, but white over green. Anyway, just delete that from the video. We also have a blood pressure cuff, so automatic blood pressure cuff. And then we also have a pulse ox, so you can put both of those on. You could consider putting them on different arms, just so that when the blood pressure is taken, it doesn't lower the pulse ox, or don't worry about it. If you want to, on the Lifepak, if you press NIBP, that will activate the blood pressure. That's hooked up. So those are kind of the 3 main things we might ask you guys to hook up if we're doing other stuff, or if we need someone to help us. Then also the other thing on here is we might ask you to enter their name and sex and birth date into the Lifepak if we're going to do a 12 lead. And the way that you do that is on the screen here. If you press the options button, so options, and then you can highlight patient. This wheel is a button also, so press patient, and then you just can start typing, click on it, and just start typing their name in. And then we won't do it all, but and then age
25.
So and then back to home. So we may ask you to enter those in. Those are kind of the real basic things we have you do in Lifepak.
End title.
Oh, that's right, an end title also. Good point. And also this is our end title. So if we're going to intubate a patient, even before we do that, so still while you're still assisting bag valve mass ventilations, you can get this connected. So it's usually kept in the front here.
Okay.
And this orange piece is about 1 turn into this slot here.
Yep. Perfect.
And then this connects to the bag valve mask.
Okay. Great.